And now on to West Bengal. The Trinamool Congress is gearing up for a massive outreach across the state, setting up help desks in every Aanchal from November 4th to December 4th. Now this comes amid the ongoing special intensive revision process in the state. Now here, the All India Trinamool Congress has announced that it will set up Aanchal-wise help desks across the state to assist citizens during the special intensive revision process being carried out by the Election Commission. Now, sources said that the decision was taken after TMC National General Secretary and MP Abhishek Banerjee held a virtual meeting with the party leaders. Now, during this very meeting, Abhishek Banerjee accused the BJP of influencing the SIR exercise, calling it a silent, invisible rigging. In fact, he also said that TMC had already protested against this move in Parliament, in court and on the streets, and now would continue to take the fight to Delhi. He also alleged that names were missing from the voter list uploaded on the Commission's website in several areas, and added that the party would draw the court's attention to this issue. Now, Abhishek Banerjee also directed TMC workers to stand by citizens who might face problems due to the SIR, saying that the BJP wants to divide and humiliate people in the name of SIR and NRC, while AITC workers will ensure that no one's name is deleted in the process. Further, he also warned that the exercise now could create a fear among the people, similar to what was seen in Assam, and urged that his party cadre on the ground, especially in districts such as Bongaon and Ranaghat, to provide all the necessary help to the people on the ground. Politics over SIR seems to be escalating in the state of West Bengal. Now the TMC is gearing up for a massive outreach across the state. It is essentially setting up help desks in every Aanchal. It's the process that's going to start from November 4th and will be carried out till December 4th amid the ongoing exercise. Now, in fact, the All India Trinamool Congress has announced that it will establish Aanchal-wise help desks across the state to assist citizens during the exercise, which is being carried out by the Election Commission. Now, according to sources, viewers, this decision was taken after TMC National General Secretary and MP Abhishek Banerjee held a virtual meeting with the party leaders. Now, during this meeting, Abhishek Banerjee accused the BJP of influencing the SIR, calling it silent, invisible rigging.